Welcome back to another video. I'm Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to add Mailerlite to your WordPress website with the Mailerlite plugin. So after you log into Mailerlite, you're going to be at your dashboard. Just go all the way over to the right. There's a little drop down arrow next to your profile picture. Click it and select Integrations, which is the page that we are on now. For the future reference, here is your API key, which you will need. This is the key that allows Mailerlite to talk to your WordPress website, but they also have instructions on specifically how to integrate with WordPress. So you just click on this and click Use. And this is a way to collect subscribers from your blog by using your Mailerlite account. And it actually has pretty good step-by-step instructions here, and at the very bottom of the page is your API key. So we'll leave that right there in case you get lost. Then you want to go back over to your dashboard on your WordPress website, go to Plugins, which is right here, and select Add New. Now the plugin you're going to be looking for is the official Mailerlite sign-up form. Once you've added it and installed it, go ahead and activate it, and it will be right there on your activated plugins list. Scroll down to the bottom of your dashboard on your website, click on the Mailerlite plugin, and it's going to take you to sign up forms. Now you can add new by clicking the button that says Add New, top left. Now you can add a custom sign-up form directly in your WordPress website, and you can also add a custom sign-up form from the forms created in your Mailerlite account. For today's example, we're going to go ahead and use the forms created in the Mailerlite account. Note you can only add embed type forms. If you have not created a form already in your Mailerlite account, it is super easy. From your dashboard, just click on Forms, and click on the top right hand corner this orange button that says Create Embedded Form. Give your form a name, save and continue. Select subscriber group, save and continue. As it loads up, it's going to give you a template of a newsletter, typical email opt-in page. You can customize every block by clicking the pencil or removing a block by using the trash can. You can customize what it says. And you can customize the subheading or the content, make it bold, italic, underscore. You can also change the size, add links, add lists, text color, and alignment. When you're happy with the changes, of course, click Save. You can also click on the email address there, and you can add fields by clicking the blue button that says Add Fields to add a name, add a last name, add a company, so on and so forth. If you don't need a field, click the trash can to remove. When you are happy, you can click Save and Continue. You can also design all of the global settings, so you can change the background, the layout, the heading, the text. These are global settings that will affect everything on your sign-up form. You can also customize the call to action button, changing the color with your hex code, changing the hover color with a hex code, changing the size, the weight, the color, the family of font. Of course, you can change what it looks like, and you can change the border radius up or down as you see fit. And you can see the edges changing, becoming more square or more circular as we adjust. When you are happy with your changes, click the green button Save. Now you also have global settings. You can add privacy policies, confirmation checkboxes, and so on and so forth. You can also add a custom success page. For instance, you can take your subscribers to a specific URL instead of the standard success message. If you want to do that, just click on it here, and it's going to give you an option to enter in the URL that you want it to go to right there. If you do want to use a success message, You can customize that in exactly the same fashion. Click the Success tab up here, click the pencil, and then you can customize all of this in exactly the same way on the right hand side here. Very easy to do. When you're happy with everything, click Save, click Next up at the top right. Now you have your form and you have your plugin. So you go back to your WordPress website and go ahead and choose Forms Created in Mailerlite, and you can adjust these in your embedded form section in the Settings section. Click Settings. Now here is where you enter in your API key. You can also find this Settings tab by clicking Mailerlite over here and scrolling down on your left to Settings. You get your Mailerlite API key by saving that, and you can also find it over here. If you remember, top right hand side, drop down arrow, click on Integrations. Click on WordPress and scroll all the way to the bottom of this page and you can copy your API key. I'm not going to scroll there because of course my API key is very personal information. Copy that and go ahead and enter that in right here underneath your API key. I hope this tutorial helped you get started. If you have any questions or further ideas for videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you took value from this video, definitely help a small channel out by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more videos like this. Once again, I've been Shane from Learnerpreneur, and thanks again for watching.